Hi, I'm Breck with Kimray. Today we're looking at 3 different types of trim for control valves. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to internal notifications. A valve trim's characteristic is the relationship between the percentage of flow and the percentage of valve stem travel between 0% and 100%. There are 3 styles of control valve trim: snap, also referred to as quick opening; nominal, also referred to as linear; and equal percentage. Snap trim opens quickly and is used for on-off service. Primary applications include liquid dump and metering. We also offer zirconia seats for erosive applications. Nominal trim is used for throttling liquids, liquid level control, and in applications where water hammering has been an issue. Equal percentage is used to control pressure or flow of gases in throttling applications. If you'd like further assistance, contact your local Kimray store or authorized distributor.